That's right, red hen. Red hen dry gin is by far the best. It's definitely one of the best gins I've ever had. If you ever get to try some of this when you're in Adelaide, grab some or hit me up and maybe we can give you a bit of a gin and tonic. But this stuff's amazing. It's so nice. So nice. So today I'm going to be fixing this flat tire and replacing it with a new tube. And I've never done this before, so we'll see how this goes. So I think I'm actually missing a nut and washer for the bike. If you can see right here, I don't know where this nut and I don't know where that nut and washer is. I'll see if I can find anything that can do a replacement for it. Apart from that, I think I fixed it, and I just gotta pump it up and see how it works. Yeah, see how that goes. So I'll see if I can find a suitable nut and washer for it. So a bit of an update. Found a nut at home and washer. Just need to tighten up a bit more and then pump these bad boys up. So I'm back. I've got some gloves now because a little bit of a problem. Let's see. Yeah, right there. Right in there. The chain's stuck between it's not on the actual gear or whatever you want to call it. It's kind of stuck in, yeah, it's kind of stuck. I think we've put the nut on properly. I had to realign it a little bit because it didn't quite fit on. So we'll see how that goes. It was a bit too lent to one more. Now I've got to pump it up as much as we can. So that should be fun. What is up? So in case you guys were wondering what the status of the bike is, I just need to pump up the tires. It actually works really well. That pump is just terrible. It's absolutely terrible. And yeah, that's about it. Made some nice dinner day. Yeah, now I'm gonna try and edit out this video tonight, even though it's a day late, because I have, if you haven't noticed, some nicer lighting from which I did yesterday. I set it all up, and I've actually set up a nicer area in here as well. So to my left I got keyboard, and then to my right I've got a fold-out table, which I'm going to do my art on, have my art gear on, so I have a bit more space for stuff, and it's more like a studio. It feels like more like a studio and what I want it to be. Obviously still a lot more things I want to improve in this room. Like I want to, at the backlight, I want to have some floodlight with coloured lighting lighting up the wall, which I think would look really cool on stream and even doing these videos. But yeah, so I hope you like this little weekly vlog of me trying to fix my bike, because I've never fixed a bike before. It just needs some new tubing and that in, and then all the other stuff that need involved. And hopefully I can get that sorted this weekend and then do some riding to work instead of the bus, because the bus gets crowded sometimes and I hate it. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you around the next one. Peace.